PepsiCo launched 2 new DTC websites for online snacks shopping. As the ongoing coronavirus pandemic has forced most of the global population to stay at home, online shopping of groceries and other items have started to increase by many folds. This shift to online shopping has opened up many opportunities for companies. So, now, one of the biggest beverage and snack giants in the world, PepsiCo has launched 2 new websites for online snacks shopping from which Americans can get their favorite snacks directly from the company. According to recent reports, PepsiCo witnessed a 10% increase in earnings from snacks and beverage sales last month. This was because snack heads bought large amounts of products to stock up during the coronavirus-led lockdowns. However, the company feels that the ongoing crisis will give rise to market disruptions that will be difficult to predict. So, to take advantage of the time and help consumers get their favorite snacks and beverage easily, the New York-based snacks giant launched 2 new websites recently for some direct-to-consumer (DTC) action. The 2 appropriately named websites, snacks.com and pantryshop.com, list numerous snacks, beverages, nuts and crackers for the consumers to choose from and get their favorite ones delivered to their doorstep. While snacks.com lists all the Frito-Lay products like Lay's, Cheetos, Doritos and Tostitos, pantryshop.com brings bundles of different products suited for various occasions. Once the consumer places the order, it will take 2 business days to deliver the products, according to PepsiCo. Now, the advantage of shopping from these websites is that consumers will get their snacks directly from PepsiCo, without the presence of any middlemen. This will benefit the company, of course, as well as the consumers as they will be getting fresh snacks and beverages directly from the company without needing to get out of the house.